In an effort to clean up my disastrously dirty workshop, I made this rolling cart. It's missing two features: the wheels that give it the rolling part, and the handles that give it the handle part. Hi, I'm Todd from Wood Frontier. I made a quick template for the handles. That way I can easily make two uniform and perfectly centered handles on this cart. In addition, I'll be able to add identical handles anytime in the future now that I have this template made. Making templates like this is just kind of one of those woodworking router tricks that comes in extremely handy. As you can see, I just drilled out 4 big holes with a Forstner bit. Spent a little bit of time figuring out exactly what I wanted, but I went for the diamond shape, so drew out straight lines, connected them with a jigsaw, and glued on a fence to it. When the glue was dry, I marked out the center of the template so that I knew exactly where to line it up on the cart. I did spend a little bit of time cleaning up the edges with some sandpaper, but that's the entirety of the template. Just a matter of clamping the template onto the workpiece and following along with a guide bushing onto your router. After I had that done, I traced out the cutout directly onto the template so that I'll have that exact pattern and I'll know the size that it makes with that particular bit and bushing. Speaking of bits, after doing both of the handles, I changed over to a roundover bit just to kind of break the sharp edges on the handles and also the top of this cart. I further refined the edge with a quick sanding before bringing it inside for priming and painting. I've decided that this is the year of the controlled, organized workshop. I've got a long way to go, and honestly, I'm quite overwhelmed by the immensity of this goal. The space is cluttered, feels claustrophobic. I trip over things, and I can't find tools. I don't know if I spend more time looking for the tools or tripping over them. So the current workshop has a lack of cabinets. So when I moved in here, everything just kind of exploded over the summer, and that's that. So I need to find a home for each tool so I don't have to worry about where to put it anymore. Finally, once the paint was completely dried, I was able to get the casters. It was the middle of the night, so I opted to use hand tools to keep the noise level low. I could soon get it back out into the shop and start cleaning up. I'm really glad I've got it done, but I've got a lot more to organize. So if you could do me a one-up and tell me the most effective thing that you've done to organize your workshop, just throw that in the comments below. I've got a lot to do, and I'm not entirely certain, what's the biggest value or what's next. Anytime that I do make something to organize something or something to put a tool away or something like that, it pays huge dividends because I just don't have to think about it anymore. I'll probably do some kind of a lumber rack or a tool storage or tool wall or something like that coming up soon. But yeah, let me know what the best thing is for you. So that's the goal. Get more shit put away. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.